there, this is Jen Lillian, and for those who are brand new to just seeing me here in this group, then I'd like to wish you a very awesome 2021. Oh, have I just gone live now? Okay, I'm live now. Hi, my name is Jen and welcome. If you don't know me already, then I am an online business coach. I've been offline with businesses since 2012 and now I'm online and I have been since 2014 and I'm giving back. So my background has been in the health, fitness and wellness space as I had 4 indoor cycling studios and I learned the hard way how to generate high quality leads and clients into my offline businesses, and that's why I dedicated my time and effort and energy since 2014 learning this whole online thing, because at that time my life completely changed. Not only was I growing my businesses from China to England, I was also becoming a mum. So my own personal lifestyle changed to the point where I couldn't be in 2 places at once. So that's when I realized the power of going online. So yeah, that's where I'm at today. So let me know who you are, where you're tuning in from, and if I can be of any help and benefit. If you are in the health and fitness space, and right now maybe you're just waiting to reopen the doors again. I don't obviously know exactly the issues and the challenges where you are in terms of the obvious global pandemic that we're all still experiencing right now. But this program, this course that I've done, which used to be my paid course because now I've now changed it for a free course, is to help you generate high quality leads and clients using and utilizing online strategies. So if you're waiting to open your doors, maybe you've got the time right now to invest into your time, I should say, investing into learning this stuff. It was a paid course and it's for free just because I want to pay back, because I've actually been through difficulties myself. I've had 2 very successful businesses offline, and my following consecutive 2 had thought altogether failed, and that's when I realized I had to learn how to become a marketer essentially. I think when your early doors in business, you sort of rush into creating something awesome because you're passionate about it, and that's why I love helping coaches, because we've got this inner drive to help people. And I've had many hats in my time for sure. Oh, there's someone who's jumped online. Say hello. I can't quite see the comments unfortunately, but you know, just if you've got a question, then leave your comment. So yeah, I went through hard times, and really I think when you go into business you really need to learn how to become a marketer. And if I was told that by someone at the time, I think I would have been in a different position now. But I'm here now giving back because I realised the power of going online and learning how to methodically and systemize, you know, this whole grabbing clients, you know, from like, you can obviously do it from offline, but online essentially, because our world is just changing so quickly now. And I think if you don't start to learn this whole getting online thing when it comes to generating high quality leads and clients into your business, then you're going to be left behind for sure. So if you're waiting to open your offline doors once the pandemic is over in your area, then this could be a time for you just to invest the time to understanding this stuff. If you are online or want to go from offline to online, this course is also for you as well. You're a personal trainer and you obviously can't be at the gym right now training your clients, and it's quite difficult to do online at home training as well due to the bubbles and the restrictions in that regard. So again, this could be great for you, or if you just completely see the future and you just don't want to do anything offline anymore because your life is so, well, like most people's lives at the moment, our lifestyles is so fragile, isn't it? It's like the schools are off, they're on, then they're off, and they're on, they're off, and obviously I'm a parent as well. So if you just want to maybe learn how to migrate all your offline stuff to online, this course is for you as well. So you can learn everything that I've learned, I've put into this course. It's like what, 4 to 6 years worth of marketing. So, and I'm here to help with this group. So if you feel this is of interest and you like the sound of this, then awesome, click the link below. It's going to take you through to a messenger bot just to qualify yourself into the program a bit more, because I don't want to waste your time in case it isn't right fit for you. But I'm here to help with this group, so feel free just to message me anytime. and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So yes, it can be for anyone, but really it's for the health and fitness space, just because that's where my background is. So that's enough about that. And yeah, I'm going to go through the 4 points in this particular training today. There's actually more. The training, once you get inside the course, is actually 4 steps. So this is like step number 1 of 4, and I'm going to go through the other 3 after this week. So each week there's going to be another step that I'm going to be talking about, discussing. So step 1 is all about laying down the foundations. I won't go into detail too much here, but once you're in the course, you're going to see everything that you're going to need to see and need to learn in order to build this online system to generate high quality leads and clients into your business. So this will work well if you already have a course, or you can create a course of your existing courses services already. And if you feel you've already got a course in mind or ready to roll out, and it's at a price point of between £200 and £500. So in this course, once you register, I use a live example. His name's John, and he's been a personal trainer for many years, 20 years plus now, in China and also here in England, and he's had many studios as well. And I with him go through this as an example through his business. So he has a course that he offers ladies to drop a dress size or 2, and together we created an offer around that, and for £197, that we felt was like the great price point for what he was offering over a 4-week period. So together, and again in the course you'll see, we work out his KPIs, which is the second point of this training. If we are working towards a target of, let's say, £5,000, I mean, I don't know if £5,000 of income into your business per month excites you, or whether it's just not enough for you to generate into your business in order to meet all your requirements, then let me know, because we can obviously change this course to suit your needs. But just as a framework to go on, this course is created around the target of generating £5,000 of revenue per month into your business. So discussing and crafting John's offer, 4-week course, drop a dress size or 2 for ladies, 37 to 40 plus, that was his target range. And for £197 per course, £5,000 total revenue. That works out his as a KPI of 1 sale a day between sort of Monday to Friday and Monday to Saturday, for him to be making a sale. And we can do this with the help of Facebook ads plus organic marketing, which I'll talk about in a few minutes. So that's that point. Let me just go down on my notes. So crafting your front end offer. If you don't have a course already, then let me know. You and I can discuss something. Or if you do have a course or a service that you can put online, then that's what I mean by crafting something. You're either going to make it or design something from scratch, if you haven't got anything already. And identifying your daily targets. So yes, in John's case, or maybe your case, if you want to follow the program to the T, a sale a day, Monday to Friday, or Monday to Saturday, roughly a sale a day, and that works out £5,000 at £197 per 4-week course. Identifying your ideal clients. So the way I break it down, more so in the course that you go into, the free one, it's always best to have 1 target per campaign. So who are you going for? Are you going for men in their 40s plus, or are you going for women under 40? Because obviously both male and female will have different requirements depending on what your service is that you're offering to them. And also you could have obviously both male and female, but are they parents, or are they single? Are they in their careers? Or, again, we're gonna I help you niche down more so in the course. But that is a very good point to understand, that for every campaign that you launch, it's best just to have 1 ideal client. So for example, I used to go to Virgin or David Lloyd's, and you could see the different pools of people in the gym, you've got those who would like the weight training exercise equipment in the gym area, and then also you've got people who love to spin in the spin room, or those who love their yoga in the yoga room. So by looking at those different types of people, they are different types of clients that you can target. So my suggestion would always be, now if you've got multiple buckets of people, then just choose one bucket per campaign, and that's an easier way to launch your campaigns on this one and then moving forward as well. And the main sort of the fourth point I would like to go through today is just the overview of this business system. Is really what we're doing is we're going to be building a machine powered by Facebook marketing, or it could also be done just organically. But the way I see it, organic helps support a paid Facebook campaign and vice versa. To get healthier or speedier results is to do the combination of paid and organic marketing. If you don't have too much money to spend in paid, there are ways of just really narrowing down your budget. You can start off on a very low minimum amount out of the gates when it comes to paid marketing. We can obviously think about other ways of, paying for advertising, Google, YouTube, but for me, I'm more so a specialist at the time of recording into Facebook marketing. Actually, to know and understand and master possibly YouTube will be one of my goals for 2021, but for now, this is what we're going to be talking about. So imagine Facebook is going to be powering the machine we are building out together through this course. So that's like phase one, Facebook marketing. Phase two is getting those people to click from the advert to the landing page, and together we create in the course a landing page. And I recommend you to use the ClickFunnels software, which is an amazing software. I've been using them for many years, since 2014, and I give you a plug and play funnel where you can just literally take a URL and use it to then tweak your site. So that's phase two of this business system. And then the third stage would be to qualify your client. So, well, I shouldn't say client at this point, but your prospect. So you would, through a series of questions, qualify them using Typeform. This is what I recommend in the course. And then the fourth part of this whole business system is then transferring them or redirecting them from the type funnel, the Typeform, where you've qualified them, and then into a thank you page or onto a thank you page. And that is what I will essentially be helping you build. I'll be holding your hand throughout this process, building out. This is what the course is. So that's why it's essential to lay down the foundations. There's actually more points in the actual course, but this is what I want to discuss in this particular training today. So by the end of the first step in the course, you're going to know your offer, you're going to know how much you're going to be charging, you're going to know your daily KPIs, you're going to obviously identify your ideal client and know exactly who they are, plus also you're going to have a real good understanding, the overview of what you're going to be building out as you complete the steps in the course. And when you get this working right, it's a matter of just turning on and turning off your campaign. And once you get one campaign working, you can literally roll out to multiple campaigns and have different streams of revenue coming into your business once you master the art of designing and building out the first business system. If you're right now just generating leads organically, that's great, because offline techniques and strategies do work, but they're very slow burning, especially in my experiences, and also they're not very measurable. Building something like this, the online marketing business system that sits comfortably behind the scenes of your business, is what you need in order to build your business, in order to grow your business and to have sustainable flow of clients and money coming into your business. And as mentioned at the top of the video, I really wish I knew this sort of information when I first started out my offline business journey, because this can be applied to offline or online. I suppose it's more of a buzz word to say, or words to say, online marketing and transferring offline services to online. But I've always seen the power of going online, and I just think that now is definitely more so than ever. This is the time to start really understanding and utilizing the online tools that we've all got access to. And it doesn't have to be hard. It's work, because at the end of the day, we're human, and sometimes if you're out of the habit of developing yourself, it's just hard to learn, isn't it? I think as we get older, we get out to the practice of learning, and like sometimes when most people finish uni, that's it, they stop their learning. But it's just we're humans, we need that urge and that desire to keep learning. And if you stop learning, you're gonna stop growing, essentially. And that was one of my masters, or mentors, I should say. He said, if you stop growing, you're gonna essentially die. You're dying. So, which is quite extreme. But yeah, I mean, obviously you understand the analogy. So I will help you through the support of this group get you on your way. So if you've got any questions along the way, then please just raise your hand, message me. I'm all ears. Click on that bit.ly link attached to this thread. It's going to take you to a bot flow just to make sure that the course is right for you, because I don't want to be wasting your time. And if you ever need a helping hand at any time, I can build this out for you, or I can maybe work with you to build this out together. But this is obviously a done for you course that I'm particularly talking about now, but I've got your back. I've given you all the resources. I've given you literally a plug and play type course. So yeah, let me know how you get on. Next week will be obviously step number 2, and I'm going to go through even more information then. But I hope you enjoyed today's training, and I've got you back. And I really do want 2021 to be your year, because I've struggled before when it comes to business, just in a different sort of phase of my life outside of pandemic issues and challenges. So I know how it is if you're feeling stressed or frustrated and you just don't know how to work for your business as we move into this uncertain year. So that's why people like myself and other coaches and mentors are out there. They're there to help you and to get you on your way. So raise your hand if you do need the helping hand. All right then, guys, thanks ever so much for listening and watching in, and I will see you next week. Bye.